If you're the kind of person that messes up and hides the thing, you know, it was like my son, right? He broke something. And instead of coming to us and saying, hey, I broke this, he just hid it away, kind of looking like it was together in a little spot, right? But he could have got it fixed, repaired, and done and had to use it the whole time. Instead, he hid it because of he was out of integrity. And I think, actually, restoring your integrity is a really powerful experience. And like there's been times where in real estate or in sales where I've missed deadlines. I got overwhelmed. I wasn't able to complete the task on time. And at first I would try, my very first experience with that, I tried to not let anybody else notice, right? But the whole entire time that I was hoping someone wouldn't talk about it, I was thinking about it. I was worried about it. It was creating worry and stress in my life for no reason, because all I had to do to restore my integrity was to go to the person that I made that commitment to and say, hey, there's been a change. This has come up. I know I committed to this deadline. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to make it. What can I do to make it better? How can we move forward? And allowing that person to give you an opportunity to restore your integrity too, I think is a powerful experience for them. And a lot of people don't do that.